Crafter's Companion has a brand new paper pad, and it is lovely. It's called Vintage Florals, and let me show you how thick it is. Just like that, really thick, so you're going to get a lot of goodies in this. Now, all of these are double-sided, so I'm going to go through just so that you can see, really get a look at every single one. As I said, they're double-sided. You're going to get 14 different designs, and as I said, they're double-sided so you can see what's going on. Some of the designs are duplicated, so you can see that that has been duplicated, but you're going to get something different on the back side. And I love, you can see these, maybe, hopefully you can see, there's a soft floral pattern in the corner there. And we've got butterflies just flittering all over that same green. So the images are duplicated. You do get 3 of each paper that I'm showing you. And the florals, very striking on that black, don't you think? This kind of looks like linen, and on the back side we have more of those roses. So great big flowers, very tone on tone, very subdued colors. The black is strong, but the other colors are subdued, the greens, the grays. And there you go. Now, in addition, there are going to be die cuts. So you can see this kind of looks scuffed. Again, the vintage look. This is a kind of looks again like that linen. And we've got more going on. So you can see very soft, soft colors. Now, there are die cuts. Now, there's 2 sheets. I'll show you both of them. And each one is duplicated 3 times. And altogether, you're going to get 144 die cuts. And I love the fact that there's images, there's squares, there's words on them also, large ones, small ones, just really lovely. And all the papers are double-sided. You're going to get 42 of them in addition to the 144 die cuts, all together in vintage florals. Now, Crafter's Companion did not come out with corresponding things, but of course, you can use butterflies, ribbons, flowers, all of those are at paperwishes.com.